back to my channel. Today we're going to test some very affordable makeup. So here in Sweden we have a store named Dollarstore. They have really cheap products. They're very affordable. You can find all of these fun things. And they have some technique makeup, all of that cheap stuff. Now I saw that they had some new makeup from 183 Days by Trend It Up. So I have two eyeshadow palettes. They were $2 each. And the packaging are so cute. And yeah, now you see I have used it. So, and this really cute base spray and some lip products. So we're going to test these and see if they're any good, because they were very affordable. So if they're good, then you can save some real money, guys. But yeah, this is the look I'm going to create. So if you want to see how I do that and what I think about the products, keep on watching. I've already done my eyebrows and prepped my lids, so we're just going to put some tape to get a sharp edge. So I'm just taking regular tape. Okay, so we're going to start with the Gossip palette, and I have no idea what to do. We take a blending brush from Sephora, the Crease Shadow 3, and the shade Sugar Bowl. It's the orangey, rusty orange as our transition shade. So it shows up. It's not overly pigmented, but it's not in the pan either, so it's true to what it looks like in the pan. We take a smaller brush and the Free Ride. Try to darken the crease. And that didn't make a big difference. Maybe a little. We try the Candy Time and see if it's darker. And it's not really. Okay. We have a black in the Dazzle palette, the Spell. So we take that and try to intense the outer edge and the lower lash line a bit. It shows up, so that's good. We take a concealer brush and my MAC Pro Longwear Paint Pot in the shade Soft Ochre and cut the crease. Okay, my eyes were watering like crazy, so I had to take off the tape. I don't know if it's the eyeshadow or if I'm just allergic right now, because I am. So it can be that. We take the Dazzle palette and the Fling Golden Shimmer and pack that on the cut crease we just made. It actually shows up. That's beautiful. Much more pigment than the matte shadows. I want to put on some lashes today, and I'm not going to be able to do that if my eyes are going to watering like this. Okay, so we also have this Pore Filter mattifying base spray. Never heard of that before. A new concept completely. Try it. And I will try to not spray on my eyes. Woo! Oh my god, that smells like candy. Yeah. Let's see if it makes my... Oh, I have fallout everywhere. I think my pore is a little bit smaller. So I will just put on the rest of my makeup and then we will test some lip products. So be right back. So that took a very long time because my eyes was watering so much. I'm actually considering if I'm a bit allergic to these palettes, the ingredients and that kind of stuff, because I, as you know, before was watering, so I went upstairs, took some more eye drops and some medicine, and then waited a while until I continued my makeup. And it didn't stop. Now it actually has. So I don't know if it was the makeup or if it's my allergies. So it was a bit difficult and it took some time, but now we're done with the face. So I'm just going to test these two lip products, and now we have glitter all over them. We have two shades. The first is Funk, and they have a really funny applicator. And this is the Honey. Let's put on the Honey. Yeah, this is way too brown. So we mix them. Okay, that's looking weird. We take another one up on top. This is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's the Buff Matte Lipstick. Better. Now I look alive. So yeah, this is a very short video, and let's talk a bit about this. These palettes are a bit difficult to work with. The shimmer one, the Dazzle, is actually really good, but the Gossip with the mattes I do not really like. But they only cost $2 each, so it's not really expensive. It's really affordable. So the shimmer one I would actually recommend if you do not have shimmers and you want a really cheap option. I would really recommend this. But this, no, not really. I think any shadow perform at least as good as this one. Very patchy and not pigmented, okay to blend, but other than that it wasn't really good. The only shadow that made the look flow was the shimmer, so as I said, the Dazzle, really recommend. That's my thought about these two. This Pore Filter Mattifying Base Spray actually made my base look very matte. And I love that because I'm overly oily and everything's creasing and I have to over bake. This made the whole routine easier, so I didn't have to bake as much and didn't have to put on as much products, so it doesn't look cakey. At least it's not as cakey as I usually do it. So yeah, really recommend it. I think it cost $1, so that's really cheap. Or was it $2? No, I think it was $1. And then we have the lip products. They are, I don't know what you call it, gloss maybe? Gloss with some pigment. They're not really lipsticks, but they show up, they feel like a gloss, they're sticky. Yeah, it's very hard to say anything about them because I don't like the colors or the shades. So yeah, if I'm going to the dollar store again, I would check for other shades, and if I find something that pleases me, I will absolutely use it. So the quality is good, just not my shades. And yeah, that's my thoughts about that. Well, yeah, that's everything for this very short video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and of course, if you want notifications, every time I upload a new video, you can click the bell and turn on the notifications. Well, see you in the next video. Bye!